Racing video manual. Positioned on the side of the watch is the crown, which is used for setting the time and winding the watch. Although the watch is self-winding, when the crown is in this position, it can be wound forward for extra power. To set the time, pull the crown out one click to its furthest position. The seconds hand will stop. Turn the crown forward or backward to move the hour and minute hands to the desired time. To adjust the date, press the corrector located on the side of the watch at 10 o'clock. The chronograph is used for measuring time periods of up to 12 hours. To start or stop timing, press the upper pusher located at 2 o'clock.